Hello everyone, I'm Dr. William Carter. I'm 60 years old, and for more than 3 decades I've worked with thousands of patients across the United States. One thing I see over and over again is this common belief that back pain is just part of getting older. Many people assume that once you pass 50, your spine naturally breaks down and there's nothing you can do except take medication. But that's not the whole truth. Yes, age does affect the spine, but the real culprits are often our everyday habits, the hidden enemies that make back pain worse. Sitting with poor posture, sleeping on a mattress that's too soft, or lifting heavy objects the wrong way, all of these speed up degeneration. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at some of the everyday habits that quietly damage your back, from how you sit, stand, and sleep, to the chairs you choose, the shoes you wear, and even how you carry things. I'll explain why these small habits have such a big impact, and most importantly, what you can do differently to protect your spine, reduce pain, and keep your back strong for years to come. Remember this: a single small change in your daily routine could be the key to walking more comfortably, sleeping more soundly, and enjoying an active, pain-free life as you age. 1. Sitting with proper posture, the foundation of a healthy spine. Once we reach our 52nd, many of us begin to realize that our backs just don't feel as flexible as they used to. One of the most common yet silent causes of back pain is simple: sitting too much. We Americans spend countless hours in front of computers, TVs, or behind the wheel. Poor sitting posture puts extra pressure on the discs and ligaments of the spine, leading over time to stiffness, pain, and even degeneration. So how do you sit the right way? Keep these golden rules in mind. Always keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed, not tense. Place both feet flat on the floor, avoid crossing your legs. Your knees should be level with or slightly lower than your hips to keep the spine aligned. Choose a chair with proper lumbar support to ease the load on your back. I once treated a patient named Michael, a 62-year-old office worker. For years, he sat in an old swivel chair with no lumbar support, logging over 8 hours a day at his desk. At first, it was just mild discomfort, but eventually he developed chronic back pain and came to see me. Instead of prescribing more painkillers, I advised him to switch to an ergonomic chair, practice sitting upright, and take short breaks every hour. The results were remarkable. Within just a few weeks, his pain had eased dramatically, and he was able to enjoy his work and daily life again without relying on medication. Sitting correctly may sound simple, but it's truly the foundation for protecting your spine after age 50. 2. Standing and walking, everyday movements that can hurt your back. Most people assume back pain only comes from lifting heavy objects or over-exercising. In reality, even simple daily activities like standing or walking can become hidden culprits if done incorrectly. After 50, when the spine has already undergone natural changes, just standing the wrong way for extended periods can cause strain and discomfort. Think about it. Have you ever spent 20 minutes cooking in the kitchen or standing in line at the supermarket, only to feel that nagging ache in your lower back? That's your spine sending you a warning. The correct standing posture is crucial. Keep your head, shoulders, and hips aligned in one straight line. Distribute your body weight evenly across both feet instead of leaning to one side. And if you have to stand for a long time, stay flexible. Shift your weight from one leg to the other, or take a few small steps in place to ease the pressure on your lower back. Walking is just as important. It's one of the best exercises for older adults, gentle, effective, and great for keeping joints flexible. But to reap the full benefits, a few adjustments matter. Wear comfortable shoes with cushioned soles to protect your feet and knees. Walk at a natural pace. There's no need to force long strides. And above all, keep your eyes looking forward. Don't hunch down to stare at the ground or your phone. I remember a patient named Linda, a 70-year-old, who loved her daily walks in the park. But she had a habit of checking her phone while walking. The result? Her neck and upper back were constantly tense. Once I taught her the proper posture, within just a few weeks, she felt relief in her neck and shoulders, and she rediscovered the simple joy of walking again. 3. Sleeping the right way, restoring energy to your back. Sleep is the body's most valuable time for healing. After a long day, your muscles, ligaments, and spine all need rest and recovery. But if you sleep in the wrong position or use the wrong mattress, instead of healing, your spine stays under pressure for hours. The result? You wake up feeling stiff, sore, and sometimes even more exhausted than the night before. Let's start with the mattress. For people over 50, the right mattress is one that's medium firm. Firm enough to keep your spine aligned, but soft enough to stay comfortable. A mattress that's too soft lets your back sink, while one that's too hard puts excess pressure on your shoulders and hips. Next comes the pillow. Skip the high, bulky ones. A low, supportive pillow that keeps your head and neck in line with your spine is the safest choice. As for sleeping positions, here are 3 simple rules. Side sleepers. Place a pillow between your knees to ease stress on your hips and lower back. Back sleepers. Put a small pillow under your knees to reduce the arch in your lower spine. Avoid stomach sleeping. This is the worst for your back. It twists your neck and compresses your lower spine. I remember James, a 65-year-old patient who had battled back pain for more than a decade. He had tried countless medications and therapies, but nothing worked long-term. When I recommended a new mattress and taught him proper sleep posture, something remarkable happened. Just weeks later, he called me. Thrilled. "Dr. Carter, for the first time in years, I slept through the night without waking up in pain." A good night's sleep doesn't just soothe your back, it recharges your body and mind so you can fully enjoy each new day. 4. Lifting heavy objects, a common mistake. One of the leading causes of sudden back injuries is improper lifting. It sounds simple, but one wrong move, bending over to pick up a grocery bag or a heavy box, can cause serious damage to your spine. I've seen patients who bent the wrong way just once and felt a sharp pain shoot through their lower back, leaving them bedridden for days. Here's how to lift safely. Stand close to the object, feet shoulder-width apart for stability. Bend at your knees, keep your back straight, and use your legs to lift. Never bend at the waist. Hold the object close to your body when carrying it. If it's too heavy, don't do it alone. Ask for help or use a cart. I think of Karen, a 8-year-old gardening enthusiast. One day, she tried to lift a heavy bag of soil without thinking twice. The result was a severe back injury and a herniated disc that required surgery. Afterward, Karen became diligent about proper lifting techniques. She often tells me, "That one small change saved me from the worst pain of my life." Lifting correctly not only protects your back in the moment, but also preserves your spine's health for the long run. 5. Choosing the right shoes and a safe home environment. Many people don't realize it, but the shoes you wear every day directly affect your spine. High heels, stiff shoes, or worn-out soles can throw off your posture and gait, putting uneven stress on your back. Over time, that leads to pain and imbalance. To protect your back, choose shoes that are low-heeled, cushioned, and fit well. If you have flat feet, orthotic inserts can help distribute weight more evenly, reducing stress on your knees and spine. And don't forget, when your shoes are worn out, replace them, because they no longer provide proper support. Your living environment matters too. A simple slip in the bathroom or on the stairs can become a serious accident after age 60, sometimes leading to fractures or worsening back pain. That's why I recommend installing handrails in slippery areas, using non-slip mats in the bathroom, and making sure your home is well lit, especially at night. Small changes in footwear and home safety can go a long way in reducing the risk of falls, protecting your spine, and keeping you confident and independent in daily life. 6. Short breaks and gentle movement. One of the biggest mistakes people make is forcing their back to stay in one position for too long. The spine was designed to move, not to stay frozen for hours at a time. That's why taking short breaks and changing posture regularly is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to keep your back healthy. If you work at a desk, set a reminder. Every 45 minutes, stand up, stretch, or walk around for just 5 minutes. When you're watching television, don't stay glued to the screen. Use commercial breaks to stand up and take a few laps around the room. And if you're on a long drive, don't push through non-stop. Every hour or two, pull over, get out, and gently stretch your back. I often remind my patients with one short but memorable phrase: your spine doesn't like stillness. The more you keep it moving, even with small, simple motions, the less likely you are to feel pain. Sometimes, just a few steps or a single stretch is enough to make your back thankful. A new mindset about lifestyle. Many patients believe that medication or injections are all they need to fix their back problems. But the truth is the opposite. It's the small, repeated habits of daily life that truly determine your spine's health. Relying only on medicine treats the symptoms, while the root causes quietly remain. Try shifting your perspective. Don't think of your back as a broken part that needs repair. Instead, see it as a lifelong companion. One that will stay strong if you care for it daily, with proper posture, regular movement, good sleep, and a safe living environment. When you treat your body with attention and respect, your spine will reward you with flexibility, strength, and the freedom to fully enjoy life. My friends, in today's video, we've explored everyday habits that may seem harmless, but can slowly wear down your spine. Poor sitting posture, sleeping on the wrong mattress, lifting incorrectly, or wearing unsupportive shoes. The good news is that all of these can be changed, and you can start today. Remember, a healthy spine isn't just the result of medication or surgery. It comes from the right habits practiced every single day. Sit upright, walk regularly, sleep on a supportive mattress, and lift safely. These small adjustments can help reduce pain, prevent degeneration, and keep you active and energetic well into your 52nd and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family. Who knows? A simple reminder might save someone years of back pain. I'm Dr. William Carter, and I truly thank you for joining me. Please leave a comment below and share the habit you've changed to protect your back. Your story could inspire thousands of others to live healthier, stronger lives. I look forward to seeing you in the next video with more practical tips for your health.